Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do gourmet. Um, see, it's still hot. I was trying to wait for it to cool down a little, and I've got like French stick bread to eat it with. I wanted an uncut, but they didn't get it when I sent them to the shop. Okay, anyway, the gourmet, I'll show you guys. Actually, I've done a big bowl, eh? I might not even finish it, look at me. Yeah, and bread. And guess what, guys? Guess who's eating with me? Elvis. Anyway, never mind. Growing up, my dad loved Elvis. Whose dad loved Elvis too? He was in most of our islander homes, eh? Back in those days. And then, even my brother, he loves Elvis. Okay. I was waiting for it to cool down, but I guess I'll try not to burn my mouth. Oi. What a drama queen. Not even that hot. Man, my glasses loves to fog when I start my video. What a hater. Oh yeah, nali that yeah. Okay, I better put my tissue up here. Oh, I want to show you guys one more time because I gotta. Okay. There. Goodbye. This is the one I burned the sugar. Oh, this tilted. Yeah, I burned the sugar to caramelize the sugar, put in the coconut cream, and then add it to your cookbooks. Don't worry about the dribble. You got it covered. Wait. Oh wait. My Elvis top might get ruined. Hang on. Hang on guys. Gotta make me a bib. You know what? Don't ever dirty Elvis. No, okay. That's enough. I saw someone with a big spoon. Look at my little size spoon. And you know what? Far out. I'm gonna get me a big spoon. Oh, I'm so upset. Look. Oh. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. Oh. Bugger. I've dirtied Elvis. Anyway, I'll try my best not to dirty Elvis again. Okay, I was not happy with that spoon. Yeah, I was not happy with that spoon. I wasn't happy with the spoon, the little baby spoon. So I went and got me a Big Mama spoon. Hey, not that I'm Big Mama. I'm just petite. What a dreamer. Oh, I know what. Bring it straight to me. Quá đây. And my drink today is orange and mango juice. This is a big bowl, but I'll try and finish it up.
Please hold for this commercial break.
Are you sure you don't want to slap on it?
Just
No.
let it
Clap on it, clap on it. Oh, okay. Close it. Right. That's my daughter. Oh, Man, a big spoon. I knew how to make gourmet watching my mother when we were young. And, you know, I'll have to go and do some chores, like sweeping up the floor or something, and she's doing this, making the gourmet. And I watch her burn the sugar. Oh, yeah. That's how it's done, eh? What? I think I got the wrong spoon too. It's a square one. Because I couldn't find me the big spoon. Okay, just a quick video before everyone wakes up to come and, you know, have breakfast. So I made the gourmet. And I thought, wait, let me do a mukbang. Oh, guys. I didn't know which spoon was worse, this spoon or that one. Do you guys like gourmet? My auntie was telling me a story one time that, she's my favourite auntie by the way. Yeah, she was telling me a story that, yeah, my auntie was telling me a story that back in the days, I don't know how far away, probably in the 60s I guess, they were rationed to not much food, so they were always only got a bag of pardon me, listen. That burp is for this. Someone asked if I could do it, like, so I just did. Oh my gosh! Even though I love having competition with, you know, like burping and like see who does the loudest burp. Oh, so someone just left. Anyway, and sometimes I win, but my older brother, he you know, like he wins sometimes. When we were teenagers, We used to try and see who does the biggest burp. Oh yeah, and then I've got a little brother younger than me. Oh, he thinks he's a champion. He'll get all his cokes and stuff and go, watch this, and he lets it all out. And I think, oh yeah, you wait for my one. And I come out, boop, nothing. Doesn't get nowhere. But excuse me for that burp, guys. Just that someone asked me if I could do it. I don't know if it's the same person. I'll have to look back. Oh yeah, I also have a request from someone to do a boy with my simmer. I plan to do it. Trust me, I will do it. But at the moment, it's just these quick ones here. Oh. So, so guys, if I'm not going to be uploading for about 2-3 weeks, it's because I'll be in the Cook Islands, in Rarotonga. Baby, my day, I say, Pepe, Sasa, oh my lord, Fefe, yeah, I'll be in Cook Island for family business. I'm not even Cook Island. I'm just going over there to help my children's daddy. We do their land. I say their land because, you know, I don't know, sometimes we don't have any titles to it, eh? But anyway, I'm not fussed. Because at the end of the day, you don't go to your grave with land now. You go into the land. Oh well, what am I talking about that for? Sorry. When I said I was going to make the cool bang, I asked, do you just want me to burn the sugar? Or do you just want me just to make it plain? My husband goes, make it plain. And my daughter says, no, burn the sugar. So guess who won, guys? I like this caramel one. You sumo your suka, popoya, the 1 can of popo, coconut cream. Yes, euro. And then add it. Why my God? Why? Go get you uma. Oh God. Oh yeah. Kaya. There's a fight on today. It's a salmon boy by the name of Trivasa and someone. I don't know the other guy. But he's a salmon, so support that, you know, hopefully he wins the fight, you know, it's all we want. It's for our people to, you know, do well in the community. We've come a long way, our Samoans, come a long way. We're proud of your culture. Everyone, be proud of who you are, who you're born into, the country you were born into. Koe rua puka i waka koe. That tells you guys that I made a good kōpai today. Lucky us. I really thought I wasn't going to finish it, man. I should have got me some more. Silianga. I want to eat uma. Uma. I could have eaten more. But look, next time I want to ask some more. Sorry about the class. But, like I said, I don't want to bore you guys. Me and Elvis done good. Well, I hope you guys make it. Don't forget, make the balls first, and then burn your sugar. Ball is the dumpling is just water and flour. Stir the flour not runny. Has to be like a dough. The stiffer it is, the firm your puka is going to be. You know, the dumpling. Don't make the mistake of making it like really soft dough, and then you try and add flour after that, because that ain't going to work. No matter what you try, it ain't going to work. For some reason, it just stays not really soft. But the way I do it, I make sure that I add a bit more, bit, not heaps of water, and then make a mistake. And then you get it bubbling away. Cook the dumplings until it's really firm. You know it's cooked. And you get that sugar burning. I'd say about, it depends on how big, how many you made. Then you can like safely start with 1 cup. But I use 2 cups because I like to really get the colour. So I caramelize it till, not when it gets to the really burnt stage, but when just when it starts bubbling, like a little bit of bubbles, and it's really like dark, not dark burnt. And then you pour in your can of coconut, and then you just keep stirring it till you feel the pan is all like smoothed out, dissolved and everything. Then you pour it into your water and dumplings that's boiling away, and dump it in, stir it, add in whatever you need to add in, like sugar. But then I get about 4 tablespoons of flour, and then I stir it for the thickener, because it's nice thick, because it will be watery. Yeah, my dad taught me that part, to put in the flour and water, and then, because you're making a sauce, not a thick sauce, but just a sauce thick enough. This one was slightly watery, but that's all right. That's the way I like it. But if you want it a bit, thicker, you just add, make it a bit thicker. Anyway, and then you can add sugar, because I don't think that sugar is sweet enough that you burnt. So you add a bit more sugar. And if you want, you can add another bit of coconut cream into the sua, and well, you can always add instead of sugar, after you pour this sugar, the cooked sugar, the caramel sauce. If you add the caramel sauce, it might not be sweet enough in your pukas, so you can either add a bit more sugar to your taste, or you can add condensed milk, the fixed sweet milk, and add a bit, because that will give you a bit more flavour to your kōpai. So guys, try and make it. If you fail the first time, you make it again, But wailua, yeah? Yeah, se whanonga mai foi o recipe whai aku ho. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and hope you stop by again another time. Remember what I always say to you guys, take care of yourself and each other, and always give thanks to the good Lord above for all that he does for us, because we are very blessed. Yeah, whawhitai lava to whāsoi fua. Don't forget to subscribe and you know, whisper to your mate, oh yeah, go and watch this lady named Favored. She cooks sometimes and eats her you know, her food, her folk food, her island food, Polynesian food, Hawaiian food, whatever, but it's our poly food. So, but I will go to other kind of food, but there's plenty of people that's doing other kind of food. But our Polynesian food at the meantime is what I prefer to put up online. Okay, guys, you take care. Wailoa, whāsui fua. Yeah, don't forget, cross your fingers for Tuivasa to win the fight today. Yeah, whāsui fua, bye.